Hi, Brian from Clore Automotive, here to talk about the ES6000, our heavy-duty 12-volt portable jump starter from Truck PAC. This high-capacity jump starter is designed to start the batteries found in large trucks, farming implements, construction machinery, fleet maintenance vehicles, and many more. When dealing with these large vehicle batteries, you absolutely need the raw power and robust components that the ES6000 has to offer. This unit comes equipped with one of our Clore ProFormer batteries, which are specifically designed for jump starting purposes. It delivers 3,000 peak amps and 800 cranking amps of starting power, meaning that it can charge virtually any 12-volt vehicle. Now let's take a closer look at some of the features. The ES6000 comes equipped with industrial-grade hot jog clamps, which are necessary for maximum power transfer and penetrating corroded battery terminals. Long 54-inch number 4 AWG cables make reaching those terminals much easier. And a built-in automatic charger lets the user recharge the unit without any risk of overcharging and damaging the internal battery. If you need a powerful 12-volt jump starter that simply doesn't mess around, look no further than the ES6000 by Truck PAC.